Did you know that Petra, an ancient city in Jordan, was hidden from the Western world until the early 19th century? This remarkable place, steeped in history and mystery, remained a secret to the West until Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt stumbled upon it in 1812. Nestled in the rugged desert canyons and mountains of Jordan's southwestern border, Petra is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of its ancient inhabitants. This archaeological city, once a bustling hub of trade and culture, was crafted from the very cliffs that surrounded it. And there's a reason why it's often referred to as the Rose City. It's not because of any blooms that might dot the landscape, but the striking color of the stone it was carved from. The warm, rose-red hues of the rock face glow under the desert sun, giving Petra its distinctive and unforgettable appearance. Now let's delve into the enigmatic history of Petra. Petra's history is as intricate and fascinating as its architecture. Emerging from the shadows of time, around the 6th century BC, Petra was established as the capital city of the Nabataeans. These industrious people, known for their exceptional water management system, carved an oasis out of the arid desert landscape. They constructed water conduits, dams and cisterns, harnessing every precious drop of water, turning Petra into a flourishing city in the heart of the desert. The Nabataeans weren't just exceptional engineers but also shrewd traders. Petra sat at the crossroads of major trade routes, and the Nabataeans capitalized on this strategic location. The city thrived on the trade of exotic goods like frankincense, myrrh, and spices. These precious commodities, desired by civilizations far and wide, fueled Petra's prosperity and growth, transforming it into a dazzling jewel of the ancient world. However, the glory of Petra did not last forever. The decline of Petra began with the rise of the Roman Empire. In 106 AD, the Romans annexed Petra, a move that marked the beginning of the end for this once thriving city. The Romans rerouted the lucrative trade routes that had previously flowed through Petra, diverting wealth away from the city. This led to a gradual decline in Petra's influence and prosperity. But it wasn't just politics and economics that led to Petra's downfall. Nature also played a hand. In 363 AD, a severe earthquake struck Petra, causing extensive damage. The city's water management system, a marvel of engineering that had allowed this city to thrive in the desert, was severely damaged. The city could not recover. By the time the dust settled, Petra, once a vibrant and bustling hub of trade and culture, was on its knees. By the middle of the 7th century, Petra was largely abandoned. Despite its fall, Petra continues to captivate the world. Hidden away from Western eyes for centuries, this ancient city was rediscovered in the 19th century, sparking a fascination that has only grown over time. Its intricate architecture carved into rose-red cliffs and its rich history drew adventurers, archaeologists, and eventually, the world. In 1985, Petra received due recognition for its historical and cultural significance when it was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This achievement further propelled its fame, making it a must-visit destination for history buffs and travel enthusiasts alike. The crowning glory came in 2007, when Petra was selected as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. This honor not only highlighted Petra's architectural marvel, but also its enduring legacy as a beacon of human achievement. Petra, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, continues to enchant visitors with its timeless beauty.